Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can solve the issue if your Samsung Galaxy Buds they are not charging. So the one thing that you can try to do, and maybe this is going to work out. So first thing, go to the app on Samsung Galaxy. Samsung Galaxy Wearable, if you can access it, of course. And when you're going to be here, you want to go to earbud settings. And then you're gonna have the reset right here on the lab. So you're gonna press reset, and all your earbud settings will be reset to the default. So this is something that you can try to do. Another thing that you can try to do is that when you're gonna have earbuds, you want to try to a different cable, different adapter, also different let's say I don't know, USB port, and try to clean the inside of it if it's possible. If that is also not going to work, you can perform the hard reset. And how to perform hard reset is that you're gonna open the case, you're gonna have both earbuds in, and you're gonna hold the both top of the earbuds for about 10 to 15 seconds. And do you see right now it's like blinking between green and red, and it means that the hard reset is doing right now. So you're gonna hold it like this, and you're gonna hold and hold and hold and hold. And when it's going to finish for like 15 seconds, then what you can do is you're gonna release, and you're gonna close the case, and then like turn off the Bluetooth and on your phone and turn it back on, and try to charge it again if it's going to work out. So I hope it helped you. Have a great day and goodbye.